Hello friends, welcome to again the servicing related matter of this Kent RO. Here is the Kent RO purchased by me, and here what I have did is that I have fit extra pre-filter spun pre-filter here. Already one pre-filter is there. This is the output of this pre-filter is connected to this pre-filter. Where it is connected, actually I have removed the sediment filter of this Kent RO. Here I will show you. So actually in the Kent RO, this is the pump is there, and this is the carbon filter, and this is the membrane. So actually the inlet of the output of the this pre-filter becomes the inlet for this RO, and here actually in the input section only the sediment filter comes. I have removed the sediment filter. Here that removed sediment filter is here. Why I removed this sediment filter is that this sediment filter does the same function as that of this pre-filter. These two pre-filters, the work of the sediment filter is same. It filters the dust particles and whatever the bigger particles are there in the water, they will be removed. So why I removed this sediment filter is that this is a good quality sediment filter. Actually I was purchased long back, and I was installed this sediment filter in the RO. But what happens, this will be inside and everything will be closed. So this sediment filter is to be replaced for every 3 to 4 months for better life of this RO. So that is the problem, because this is the main filter which blocks most of the time and affects the flow of water into the next part of the RO. So that is why we have to replace this sediment filter again and again. So what happens when this sediment filter is inside this RO here in this place, it is difficult to replace it. We have to open the complete RO and then we have to replace it. We have to unscrew all and remove the sediment filter, replace the sediment filter. That problem occurs. So because of that reason, what I did is that in place of this sediment filter, I have installed extra pre-filter, so that here the first stage of the filtration of the water takes place. Whatever some things are left, they are filtered here. So it is double filtration of water takes place here only, and the output of this should go to a sediment filter here. Now in place of this sediment filter, this pre-filter is working. So what is the idea behind this is that because this pre-filter, inside the pre-filter spun filter will be there, and that can be easily replaced. No need of opening of this RO filter. That will be closed, and you can replace the spun filters in these two filters. That is more than enough. that increases the life of the this RO. So this is the first advantage. The second advantage is that the spun filters, the candle which is present inside here, they are cheaper as compared to this sediment filter. So this sediment filter is costly. It may cost up to 250 rupees, 250, 270, even 300 rupees for one sediment filter. And you can see here to an what extent it has gone. These are not repairable, just we have to throw away them. So this is the problem. Once the blockage happens in this sediment filter, the flow of water into the carbon filter becomes affected, and that leads to avoid of water flowing into the membrane, and in the membrane pressure falls down, and because of that reason the water coming out, the pure water coming out of the filter also reduces. So that is the main problem. This is the biggest problem. So that is why what I have did is that in place of sediment filter, I have just replaced the pre-filter, and for every 3 months I can replace the spun filter present here. And spun filters are very cheap. I will show you here one. This is the spun filter which I got from this pre-filter company. So this is the spun filter. In Amazon you can buy a large quantity, and it costs around 70 rupees, 70 to 80 rupees just. So just you can go on replacing the spun filters in the pre-filter. That is more than enough. You need not have this sediment filter inside the RO. So this is how I modified my Kent RO to this form. So next onwards what I will do, simply I am go on changing the spun filters in the pre-filter, so that I can get the more filtered water at a small time. This is the idea. This you can also make this thing, and easily you can fit this kind of pre-filter into your RO. So thanks for watching.